Hibernate. Introduction to Windows Hibernate feature. What is Hibernate? Hibernation is computing's powering down a computer while retaining its state. It is sometimes very useful when you have to shut down your computer. You can actually save the state of your current work and session. Upon the hibernation, the computer saves the content of its random access memory to a hard disk or other non-volatile storage. Upon the resummation, the computer exactly as was upon the entering hibernation. When used to power off, hibernation is similar to sleep modes and saves more power at the cost of slower resumption. Application. Hibernation saves electrical power. After hibernating, the hardware is completely powered down. Therefore, a hibernated machine uses no more electrical power than one of which is switched off. Meanwhile, hibernation is not meaning avoiding the burden of saving unsaved data before shutting down and restoring all the running programs after powering on back. Hibernation is used in laptops which have limited battery power available. It can be set to happen automatically on a low battery alarm. Most desktops also supports hibernation mainly as general energy saving measure. Complications. In some cases, entering into hibernation can cause incorrect operation on restarting due to problems with the hibernation software or the devices or software which is not fully compliant. Some organizations mandate automatic hibernation if a computer system has been idle for a certain amount of time, mainly as energy saving measure. Comparison to sleep mode. Many systems also support a low power sleep mode or standby mode in which the processing functions of the machine are powered down, using a little power to preserve that contains RAM and supports waking up. Wake up is almost instantaneous. The advantage of sleep mode is that resuming is much quicker than for hibernation. A hibernated system must start up, then read back the data to the RAM on resuming, which typically takes about 10 seconds. A system in sleep mode only needs to power up the CPU and display, which is almost instantaneous. How to make your computer hibernate. Steps to follow. Click on the Start menu. Click on the arrow next to Shutdown on Windows 7. On other versions, if there is no arrow, just click on Shutdown and more options will appear. Choose Hibernate. This will keep your computer on a low energy consumption state and will revert when you press the power button.